How to use Brother iPrint&Scan mobile app. Brother iPrint&Scan is a free-to-download mobile app which gives you the ability to print, scan and manage your Brother device, such as checking ink or toner levels directly from your smartphone. This video is a quick guide to show you how to use the features of this powerful app so you can get the most out of your Brother device. Before we begin, you will need to connect your smartphone to your Brother device. The app gives you the option to connect via your network, by Ethernet cable, by a wireless network or by NFC. If you need help connecting your Brother device to your wireless network, here's a quick video guide to show you. Now, let's download the app. The Brother iPrint&Scan app can be downloaded from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once you have downloaded and opened the app, you will see this home screen. In order to use these features, you will firstly need to select your Brother device and connect it to the app. Once your device has been selected, you can now access the print and scan features. I will walk through these features with you. Printing. The app provides a quick and efficient way of printing directly from your mobile device. Photo, documents, web page, and cloud services. I'll explain what each of these options do. The photo option gives you the ability to print photos from the photo gallery on your mobile device. The document option allows you to browse and print documents such as PDFs. The web page option lets you print a page from a built-in web browser on the app. Cloud Services lets you print documents directly from cloud storage services such as OneDrive. Scanning. The scanning feature is a quick and simple way to digitize photos or documents quickly and store them on your mobile device or share them with your friends and colleagues. All you have to do is place the document or photo on your Brother device. Press Scan on the app. If it's supported by your Brother device, you can change the scan settings including document size, color, or two-sided scanning. Then press Scan. Now you can edit the scanned image with options such as cropping or rotating your document. You can then store your document on your phone or cloud storage or share it with your friends and colleagues. Managing your Brother device. The app allows you to quickly print and scan, but it also helps you to manage your Brother device. For example, if you press the machine settings option, you can see the current ink or toner levels, and if you're running low, press cartridge model, and it will list the ink or toner cartridge model you will need to purchase. This was a quick guide to show you our Brother iPrint&Scan app. Make sure you check out this free app so you can easily print, scan and manage your Brother device all directly from your smartphone.